Susie, this Coco animated film is defo something.
I know, Sammy. No matter how many times I watch it, it always makes me cry.
Listen, how come we've never made a craft based on Coco, huh?
Oh, you're right. What an unforgivable mistake. We just have to correct it.
Actually, I already have a million ideas. We could make those masks for El Dia de los Muertos. Or we could make those flying magical animals. Or better yet...
I already know what we're gonna make, and believe me, it's absolutely epic. Hi guys, today we're gonna need a lot of cardboard because we're gonna make an amazing craft inspired by the Coco animated film.
What exactly is on your mind, Sue?
Do you remember how you always get excited whenever they show the land of the dead in the film?
You bet! That's the most beautiful and extraordinary city I've ever seen! Wow!
Exactly! That's why I thought it'd be nice to have a piece of it in your own room as a nightlight. What do you say, Sammy?
Susan, you're brilliant! Okay, tell me what to do. I'm fully at your service.
That's easy, Sammy. We're gonna need a lot of houses. I mean, a lot. And the best part is, they all should be different from each other.
Whoa, I can already see something.
Right, Sammy. So you can take a piece of cardboard and make one as you wish.
Okay.
In the meantime, I'll cut this one out. Guys, be very careful with the cutter because it's really sharp. This is taking too long. Let's use some magic. And hop! That's better.
I've got an idea. Let's glue the tracing paper to the back of the windows.
That's great, Sammy, but first we need to paint all of the pieces of the house.
Decorator Sam is here to help, and hop, 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 hop.
Wow, Sammy, it looks perfect. Guys, you can use the tracing paper of different colors. This will make the whole lamp even brighter. Let's add some glue to the inner side of the facade of the house like this. And make sure that the tracing paper covers all of the windows like this.
Hey, Susie! Here's the house that I've made. I hope it's not too small.
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll defo find a perfect place for your little house. So, what do you say about mine?
Huh? Don't you think it looks too simple? Why don't we make the facade of this house look more festive? Bibbidi-bobbidi subscribity!
Wow, Sammy, you're an amazing architect. What do you say, guys? Doesn't this deserve a thumbs up?
Actually, I challenge you that the next house that I'll make will be mind-blowing.
Deal. Okay, guys, I have to come up with something spectacular to beat Sam in this house competition. And I've got an idea. Do you remember those beautiful Mexican hats? Especially the one that belonged to Ernesto? Let's use more magic. Hop!
Ha! Want to give a tribute to this evil though remarkable character?
We need to connect these pieces together. Be careful with the hot glue.
Oh, Sue, you're gonna fail this challenge! I knew that! I finished! I won, Susan!
I doubt that, Sammy. The mission was to create an unusual house, and yours looks quite usual to me.
What? Don't you see this magnificent roof or the decor of the facade? I put my soul into it, and you only managed to do this. What is that, by the way? Half of a flying saucer?
Actually, it's the roof of one of the houses. We just need to glue it like that. You see? We'll just add some details to it. There you go. What do you say? Does it look like a singing Ernesto?
Holy cannoli, Sue! I must admit this house is totally a winner.
Do you agree, guys? Then give it a million thumbs up. Sam and I are both great craft masters.
Why don't we join our forces and make the next house together?
Sure, Sammy. What are you up to? There's so many arches in here. Hey! What is this? Whoa, guys, check this out. More arches.
Each city normally has its own main building, you know, so I thought that ours should have this. Let it be a residence of a phantom mayor or something.
Okay, then. Let's glue everything right now. Remember to always be careful when working with the glue gun, guys. Here we go. Now let's glue all the parts one by one.
Sue, you're working so fast. Great job.
Thanks, Sammy. Let's add the roof here, like this. I think something's missing. Up! Awesome! A building like this should have a strong foundation.
Awesome! This little cat over here will look great when the lights are on. I just love it. Sue, I'm feeling like we need a little break.
All right, Sammy. Guys, we'll be back in a second. Well, where is this slime? Sammy, where are you?
I'm a bit busy. Give me a minute.
Okay. Guys, while Sam is still not here, I want to surprise him a little. Do you remember how in the Coco film it all started with a guitar? Miguel dreamed of becoming a musician, even though his whole family was against it. And when he finally managed to get Ernesto's guitar,
his adventure actually began.
and then he got into that land of the dead, and the guitars and music were there all of the time. So, the instrument is basically a symbol of the whole Coco story. Now let's decorate our guitar. And done! It looks just like the cartoon!
It looks awesome, Sue.
Sammy, you're back!
And I come bearing gifts.
Wow, that mask is stunning, Sammy, and it perfectly fits the whole theme of our nightlight. It looks like I wanted to surprise you, but you surprised me instead.
Great minds think alike, Sue. And on top of it, we're best friends, so…
You're right, Sammy. And we're just about to make our friendship even stronger by finishing this craft together. It's easier to start from the top of our lamp, so this house comes first.
Oh, I got it, Sue. Our nightlight will be hanging on the wall.
Of course, the Land of the Dead is a vertical city after all, and near Ernesto's house will glue the guitar like this.
Sue, look! I have another house for you. I bet it will be a perfect match for our lamp.
So guys, let's speed it up a little. Check out how colorful and voluminous it is. Da 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 da! Guys, just look at this beauty that we made. Wait, hold on, that's not it. We're gonna need this.
Guys, you better ask an adult to help you with this stage.
We need to make little holes like this to be able to install these cute lanterns. Here we have a wire. We'll put the wires through the opening like this and pull carefully. Let's install the lanterns here and there throughout the whole city.
To make the lanterns work, we'll have to connect all the wires. Guys, you better ask an adult to help.
Right, Sammy, but those lanterns will not be the only source of light in our lamp. Check this out! We've attached this LED strip light to the base of our magical city.
Sue, I found this weird colorful controller. What do we need it for?
Using this controller, we'll turn on our lamp. Let's check it out.
Yay! Wow, it's so cool! Sue, we have to speed up. I can't wait to see our lamp on the wall. Whoa!
I hear you, Sammy, but we still have a couple more things to install. Check out this beauty. This is a very important part of the decor. So guys, are you ready? Hop! Sammy, switch off the light.
I got it.
Sammy, what do you say? How do you like our Coco-style nightlight? Sammy, is something wrong?
It's so beautiful. I knew this was going to be a remarkable craft, but I couldn't even imagine it like this.
Guys, I hope you also liked our craft today. And if you try to repeat it, remember that you can create your own city and choose any color and decorations for it as you'd like.
And if you don't want to miss any of our crafts in the future, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Bye-bye!